one thing about me, I'm gonna find the easiest way to do something. So yeah, it's hot as fuck. So what I'm doing is, it's getting hot in here. You can see yourself now.
I'ma be me, and if you don't like it, fuck what you think. If you don't like it, fuck what you think.
Well, this is just gonna be a quick get ready with me to run errands. I have a couple orders to ship out today. Also, you guys are gonna see, so I'm starting an entrepreneur series, so you guys are gonna see, let me just get right into the video because I'm doing all this blabbering shit. I just opened my makeup bag and this wasn't even closed. And if you guys have the She's So Bomb, isn't it? She's Bomb collection, if you guys leave the cap off of it, it literally turns white and it just stops working. Like, you have to be on your P's and Q's with this at all times. Like, me for tell you. I use the She's So Bomb edge control. I don't know where my edge brush is, so right now I'm just using an old toothbrush, which is typically my go-to if I don't have my edge brush. That's pretty much the look for me.
Side for 200 a pop, and I put it at the market, but that was a while.
I have something like this. The only thing is this adjustable? Like, is this able to like go up here, or this is just one size? It has to be like 12. What is it? 12 by 12?
What do you mean adjustable? Can this
like, can this move?
Oh no, this all bolted.
I got a terrible fear. Oh, same food. It's right here.
No way.
Don't mind the steering wheel, y'all. It's not dusty. It's just, I don't know. It's just wear and tear. I don't even remember where exactly I stopped off at, but I'm running some errands right now, guys. Why the fuck is it so hot? Oh. I got a jacket on. All right, guys, so I'm currently on my way to the library right now. I have a label printer at home, but honestly, bruh, I might just sell it. I've had this label printer probably for about like 6 to 7 months, but I never use it because I personally think that the shit don't work. Maybe I'm just not that tech savvy when it comes to like hooking stuff up to my computer, and you know what I'm saying? I'm like a Bluetooth girl. If it's not just a simple USB plug-in or just a simple Bluetooth, to me, that's just too much. Technology not supposed to be that complicated. You know what I'm saying? Like, we got to a point where shit is really that easy. I also need a new blender too, because my CMOS blender that I have, I just want an extra one because my orders have been increasing, and like, I just feel like the blender that I have right now, like the NutriBullet that I have, is way too small, and it could just speed up the process a little bit faster if I had not only 2 blenders but a bigger blender. So I might as well do that because I'm shipping out packages tomorrow. I gotta go to the fish spot and pick up some snapper and some salmon. I think I'm gonna pick up some saltfish too because I really want some saltfish for Tess. Oh my gosh. I'm definitely making that today. Oh, and I need some cat food. Let me write all of this down, guys, because your girl be forgetting. If you made it this far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. And please comment down below, you know, even if it's just a letter, anything. Help boost me up in the algorithm. You guys didn't see the process, but it's pretty simple for me because where did I park at? Because the library is so close to my house. Baby, you still on the phone? It's really easy to just come here and just print out all the labels I need. It doesn't really cost anything, 15 cents per paper, which is really nothing for real. But I had to print out 9 labels and I have to just buy 2 more labels because I have to ship out some other orders that weren't ordered through the website. That's that. I'm about to get something to eat right now. I have no idea what I want to eat, but I know I do want to eat. So yeah. So your girl is about to go hiking right now. I was gonna film a little get ready with me, but I really didn't do too much. But this is what I have on. So it trails right now and there's a huge spring. So if we wanted to take, you know, a little dip, of course we can do that right after our hike. That's definitely a nice, you know, little refresher to kind of relax after our hike. So I'll take you guys with me. Stay tuned. But it's a beautiful day and I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far.
Come over here. Look to your right. Look to your left.
Jesus! Oh my god. Oh shit.
It's all there.
Double dog didn't mean to dip it. Guys, this is extremely cold right now. Oh. Babe. Oh my gosh, baby, it was not that bad. It's not cold to me anymore. Damn, babe. Ooh, it feels good now. So we're currently in Altamont, Florida right now at the Cranes Roost Park. There's a whole bunch of cranes right here and they're probably about to take off in any minute now. So that's pretty dope. Babe says they're having a meeting right now. So it's such a good day outside. Shout out to God.
The bag take too much, huh?
Hey guys, actually, I'll see you guys when I get to the dinner. Hey guys, so we're currently at the beach. We're not at New Smyrna. I know I told you I was going to some New Smyrna, but somebody didn't know. I didn't know. So it's alright. But we're gonna have a great time. And we close to Bethune Grill. So it's a win-win. Bro, you ever tried their banana pudding? Tomorrow
Go back.
find the easiest way to do something. Cheapest way, easiest way, most quality efficient way. I'm also starting an entrepreneur series. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna call it yet. I might as well just call it entrepreneur series, but like a lot of people on YouTube, they have like really cool names for theirs. So I was really thinking about naming it like Entrepreneur, because you guys know my business name is Made by and that's like my brand. So Entrepreneur, you know what I'm saying? But I don't want to be corny.